Thanks for the invite. I have an interesting technical program I thought I'd share with you. And we're going to put this in context of sustainability as a driver for innovation. So let's go down to the next page and I'll give you a little bit of context to where we are. So I joined Bemis in 2013 as CTO. In 2019, and now Bemis, there's two Bemises, everybody. There's like the flexible packaging company, and there's a company that makes toilet seats and urinals, and we're not that one. We're the first one. It makes it easier when you talk to people. But in 2019, Bemis was acquired by Amcor, which was one of our biggest competitors. Bemis had carved out a stake in the world packaging industry by being a leader in technology, dominant position in North America. Amcor needed both to shore up their portfolio, and we were acquired. And I was fortunate to carry the role forward in Amcor. And much to my surprise, Amcor had pledged into the Ellen MacArthur Foundation global commitment to have by 2025 all their products, which by the way numbers some 50,000 plus, be more recyclable, reusable, or compostable. And I was told that's your job, is to make that happen. So a complete transformation of entire enterprise's product portfolio in 60 months is a tall task for any R&D guy, especially when it's being driven by a newly integrated R&D and global R&D organization. So, but I've never felt that R&D can't stand up to any task. And this was the chance to create a transformational impact on the company, to create, a viable company being in the plastic packaging space for long-term growth, purpose, and of course to do the right thing for the environment. So we're up for the task. I'm going to tell you how this went down and where we stand. But it's relevant to note that if you look at this middle part, most consumers would say they're more likely to switch to a brand that's more environmentally friendly than their current brand. And that would include packaging. And a lot of consumers now believe, and I think we would all classify ourselves accordingly, that we think the environment matters. Okay, it's really simple. And sustainability is here to stay. Okay, and in fact, it's more than that. It's about how we continue to improve across many, many dimensions in our businesses every day. All environmental action programs, we're going to have greenhouse gas emissions, right? Waste to landfill, wastewater reduction. It almost doesn't matter, but now having products that are credibly sustainable, whatever dimension you may choose there. And so, we recognize that we needed to do this. It was the right thing for our customers, the consumer, the planet, and again, shareholder interest in the company. It's not easy to be in a company that has a portfolio of multi-material flexible packaging formats. They're viewed largely as non-recyclable, and having more sustainable, which would be more recyclable packaging or reusable or compostable, is going to be a very important transformation to attract shareholder and investor dollar for the long term.